Welcome back to Maths class 11. We were doing types of permutations, especially the restricted permutations. Now the type is permutations of repeated things. Now what actually are repeated things? The number of permutation of n different items taken are at a time when each thing may occur any number of time. So out of all, any number is repeating any time is n to the power r. For example, in how many ways can 5 prizes be distributed among 4 students? So n is 5, r is 4. 4 students are there. When each student may receive any number of prizes. एक स्टूडेंट को ऑल 5 प्राइजेस भी मिल सकते हैं, सेकेंड स्टूडेंट को भी ऑल 5 मिल सकते हैं. So this is how repeated permutation of repeated things work. So this is a case of permutation of repeated things. So number of ways possible are 5 to the power 4. Here is another question based on it. In how many ways can 3 letters be posted in 4 letter boxes? So we have 4 letter box. Suppose if we see it without the formula, out of the 4 letter box, first letter can be posted in any one of them. So 4 ways to select. Then second letter can also be posted in any of them. So again 4. Third letter can also be posted in any one of the 4. Again 4 ways are possible. So this is also permutation of repeated things where n is 4 and r is 3. So total ways in which a letter can be posted in any of them is 4 cube, 4 into 4 into 4, because all the 3 letters are supposed to be posted, which is 64. Now one more condition in the same question, which is, now this part is a continuation of previous question of letters. If all the 3 letters are not posted in the same letter box, find the number of ways posting. So the best way of finding is not posted in the same letter box means total possible ways minus the ones in which all the letters are together. We have the total ways we have solved in the previous question, 64 minus, let us find out how many cases in which all the letters are together. How many boxes we have? Suppose all the 3 letters are, say, stars. First way, they all are present in box 1. Second possible case is they all are present in the second box. Third possible way, that all the letters are posted in the third box. Total boxes are 4. Fourth box में भी हो सकते हैं. So since we have any one of the case possible, this or this or this, in case of or we add up. So total 4 ways are there in which all the letters are going to be together. So all are together. If I subtract it from the total arrangements, I will get that all the possible all the letters are not posted in a single letter box. I hope the point is clear with this.